Today I'll be showing my friend my car that I just got. Toyota 86 GT. I used to have a Honda, but I traded in for this car. So we're gonna see how my friend's reaction to this car is. You know, this car got snow mode, track mode, sport mode, got a lot of modes. So y'all gonna eventually see the car, you know what I'm saying? I just got it like a week ago, or I think 2 weeks ago. Not bad, it's a nice car. Not gonna speak on how much I got it for, you know, but oh, it's nice. So yeah, you know, I'm gonna show my friend the car, drive around a little bit, might show y'all, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
No, I was playing, but yeah, I'm gonna show him the car, see how it goes. Eventually I'm gonna get lights on the roof, like my old car, but yeah. I'll make a video of how to do that, but stay tuned. I'm not gonna speak too much because too much talking, but yeah. Brand new car. Y'all. Oh, clean right.
Good fresh ass nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, alright. Oh God.
Sir.
Where you get this on?
Like 2 weeks ago, like a week ago. Around there.
Thought that it meant that he was tough and that it was just a way of showing off that he was street. Well, what it's actually showing off is that you're not tough. It's quite the opposite. It's that you won't put up a fight.
And they got track off, sport mode, all that snow mode. I need to learn how to use these though.
It's easy, bro. Hop in.
All right, bet. I need to learn how to use this. I need to learn how.
A few minutes later.
Oh my God! Yo! That shit was dumb. That shit was. This nigga did a whole dirt burnout and then.
You want.
God dang. You finna do one right here?
Five minutes later.
Yo, alright. Oh yeah.
Yo, this hoe is clean, for real.
Yeah, I can tell this whole tune.
Yeah, you know, I showed my friend the car. He drove it around. That mug was going crazy. Donuts, like, it was going crazy. You know, it's not even sunny outside, but I'll show y'all the car when it's sunny outside. But man, this car is crazy. Like, we did burnouts. He drifted the car. Like, he used the gears on the car. I was like, dang, I didn't even like, the car crazy. This car is crazy. It's already tuned. I bought it tuned. I didn't even know I bought it tuned. It's already tuned. It has an air intake. It has an aftermarket exhaust. Like, it's crazy. Like, car right.
Nobody cares. Nobody.
But I'll get back to y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you for watching the video. Yeah, you know, I'm proud of this car. You know what I'm saying? There are gonna be more videos soon. Yeah.